Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a sign-in sheet template in Google Docs. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Docs, just click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating a sign-in sheet template can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, it serves as a simple and effective way to record attendance at events, meetings, workshops, or classes. Having a template makes it easy to consistently capture this information. And of course, a sign-in sheet template helps maintain organized documentation of who attended specific events or session. Now, for us to be able to do that, it's very easy. All we have to do is click on the blank document and we can start from there. Now, let's rename this one to something like this. And then I need you to click on the insert table, or insert and then go to tables. And from here, click on the you can choose from, say, 7 to 1 or 8 to 1, but I'm gonna make it a little bit like 5 to 5 for now. All right. Now from here, all I have to do is maybe put some data like now I'm gonna put something like name, and then maybe like this is for the date. All right, let's time in. And maybe for purpose, all right? And maybe I'm gonna put some signature right here. So there you go. Now from here, all we have to do is just customize this one. I'm gonna put a fill-in option here. I'm gonna make it like a little bit blue, and then obviously I'm gonna make the font into maybe a white color. And make it bold for now. And the I'm gonna make the border like this one. I'm gonna select all of them, right? And then click on the drop down menu. Now, if you are not happy with the width, all you have to do, you can drag it, all right? It's all highly customizable. Now, if you don't want to do that manually, what you can do is see that option and click on distribute columns. See, from earlier, right? It's not evenly distributed. Right, again, right click on distribute columns. And if you wanted to add more columns here, all I have to do is right click and insert more, like insert row above or insert row below, right? So there's a lot of that you can do. And we can also put some image at the top. Let's do that for now. So I've attached an image right here to make it a little bit more dynamic, okay? Because remember that creating a sign-in sheet template facilitates a record keeping and promotes accountability, enhances security, enables contact information collection. Of course, it facilitates evaluation, allows for customization. And of course, it gives efficiency and consistency, supports legal compliance, and contributes to a professional event presentation, leaving a positive impression on attendees and stakeholders. Because a well-designed sign-in sheet reflects attention to detail and professionalism, and of course, it gives a very good presentation of events or activities. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.